Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a search service and then create a data source to connect our search service to our Cosmos DB collection. So let's go back to our portal. Now here I'm going to go to Cognitive Search Service, and then here I'm going to create a new service. Here I'm going to choose my subscription, and my resource group will be DGG resource group. I'm going to name my service as property once again to be consistent across the whole pipeline. I want to choose Central US. You can choose any location if you are going to have your traffic only from one of the geographical location. It makes sense to have your service in the same geographical area. And instead of standard, I'm going to choose the free SKU. Now using the free version, I can build up to 3 indexes with 3 indexers and 50 MB of storage, and I will not be charged anything for this amount. But underlying resources that I will get is just one physical partition. I can only have one replica, so multiple replicas help you in improving your querying or read speeds. More replicas will give you better read results. And I will also have just one search unit. Now all these things just help in speeding up the process, either while indexing the data or reading the data. But for our purpose, free version is good enough. We don't have much data, only 9,000 items. Just select it. Now you can scale your number of replicas and partitions here. If you're choosing a non-free version, you will get an option to set your replicas and partition counts. So as I said, replicas attribute to workload across services and helps in getting 99.9% availability for read operation. And for write operation, you need 3 or more replicas to achieve the same availability. Similarly, partitions allow for scaling of document counts as well as faster ingestion. So when you're indexing your data and you have millions of items to ingest, it makes sense to have more partitions. It will help in faster ingestion. Now we don't want to tag anything. I'll just review and create my search service. Everything looks good. Let's create it. And then go to the resource. So this is the home page for our search service property. And you can see you have some options on the left hand side to scale your service, some API keys. You can analyze your traffic. You can also have your logs analyzed using Gusto queries or KQL queries for your search service here. I'm going to the overview page, and on this page you will get options to create your data source, indexes, and also monitor your service, get the usage pattern, and create skill sets. You can also go to debug session section to check for any errors while indexing is happening. So we have our search service ready. In the next lecture, we are going to create a data source which will help us to connect to a Cosmos DB as our source for the data. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.